Hello and welcome to Interactive CAD and Tech. This is my third video on a three-part tutorial on how to draw a structural bridge in Solidworks. The first video was the legs and the second video was the reinforcement across it. And now I'm going to do the cross members in this third video. If you've not modelled it up to this stage yet, click the link and follow the videos and you'll get to you'll have modelled a bridge like this. So just to get started and do the cross members, it's very similar to how you do the struts with the plates on the legs. So just to get started, I'm going to click the sketch here, which is what I used to make the the reinforcement struts, sorry. And I'm going to do a construction line there, from there to there, so I know the dim I need to put my plate on. So just make that construction line, exit that sketch, flip it the right way back around again. So I'm going to click the bottom surface of the bottom strut and create a sketch. So now I'm going to show the sketch I just edited, which is there, and I'm going to draw a square. As easy as that. I'm going to put a construction line in the middle of the square, construction, and I'm going to make it coincident with the line I just drew, and make this plate 200 by 200. I'm going to extrude that plate 10mm. So it's a 10mm plate. Make sure merge results unticked. Tick that. And I'm going to mirror that plate over. So click mirror, and I'm going to go to bodies again. So just click the plate, and I'm going to use the middle plane. If you've modelled it the same as I have, 3D sketch, you should be able to just mirror it across very easily. Tick that. So these plates would be welded underneath these struts. And now it's as simple as another 2D sketch on that plate face, sketch that. So that's the top face of the plate, and I'm going to draw a line from middle to the middle. In fact, to make it more accurate, I've converted these entities on that. I'm going to make them construction lines, do the same on this face as well. Convert entities and then highlight them all and tick for construction. And then I'm going to draw a line from the back point of the plate, midpoint to the front portion. And now I'm just going to exit that sketch. Nice and easy. So now you have your sketch profile for your cross member. Go to structural members, and then I'm going to change it to a RSC channel. Click the top one, 76x38. I'm going to click that. So now that beam is sat on top of those two plates. I'm going to tick that, and then similar to the other videos, I'm going to click trim and extend, untick allow extension, click the body I want to trim, and the faces I want to trim it with. So I want to discard the extra and keep the bit in the middle, tick that. And there you have your cross beam. Oh, I've made the same mistake as I did in the last video and put a weld gap in it, which I don't need. So I'll go back down to trim and extend and untick weld gap and tick that. So now I have a cross beam. I hope you found this little video helpful. All you have to do is repeat that process or mirror or pattern the cross members. So I'll show you the finished results. So now if you follow the same principle, creating the base plate on a sketch for the top plane and the base plate on the sketch for the bottom plane and pattern it, you can actually very easily put the cross members in. And also I've also put some extra reinforcement by just doing the same principle from the center of the plate, doing a diagonal line and putting in a strut as well across the top, just for a bit of reinforcement, and I've done the same on the bottom. I hope you found this video helpful. I know that was a quick video, but there's no point in you watching me just pattern everything. But that's the principle you need to create the top. And now, if you've modelled this bridge, exactly how I've done it, you should be able to go to the top sketch, the 3D sketch, edit that sketch, and you should be able to change the size, width, and height, and all the struts should edit and rebuild with it. So there we go. So now I've amended it all. It's changed all the struts, changed the angles, changed the plates, locations. So it's a very good way using equations to actually model structural members. I hope you found this 3-part tutorial helpful. If you have, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.